Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Super easy little snack today, cheese on toast with a chili twist. Very simply, what we're going to need is some grated cheese, tiny bit of onion and tomato chopped really small, some black pepper, a little bit of butter, I've melted our one there, some fresh chili and some chili powder. Now you can adjust that how you like, and I'm using some grated cheddar cheese, and at the back there I've already got a little bit of toasted bread. You could be using any type of bread you want. You could be using a ciabatta, a roll, or like I say, some sliced bread there that I've already just lightly toasted. Very, very simply, we're going to get a mixing bowl and it's all going to go in. So the grated cheese there of your choice, add the onions, add the tomato, add the butter, the pepper, chili powder, fresh chilies, give that a nice little mix, and that's done. Very simply, get a little grill on the go, nice and hot, and then we're basically going to spoon this onto our toasted bread, spread it out a little bit, pop it under the grill for maybe 1 or 2 minutes. You know what we're looking for, a nice kind of crispy, melted, golden brown, super easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We will see you soon. Lots of love.